So YouTube, so today I'm working on something really cool. So I've been buying parts for my racing go-kart, but they all come really late. I don't have anything ready yet. But in the meantime, I've been working on this guy. So I was able to put parts for this guy, and I was able to put an axle together. So I'm gonna replace that tires for this axle. So before it was only one wheel, so now it's gonna have a live axle. That will make this go-kart a lot of fun. So I'm very excited to do it. It's gonna be an easy fix. So I'm just gonna take the engine out, put the bearings in the frame, then put my axle back, put my chain. I need new brakes, but I already have it. I just have to install it and it will be ready to go. So let's get into it. So I got the engine out, so now I have to remove this axle because this one is it's only one wheel, so I have to replace it for that one, so it will be way more powerful. So I have to cut this welding part right here, and then put a base for my. I'm gonna use pillow blocks on this one. I have other bearings, but I don't have the other parts I need, so I'm gonna use that one just with two bolts, and then later I will replace it. I just want to know how good it's gonna work before I do more work to it. So here we go. I got some progress today. I was able to take the axle out, and now I'm installing my other axle. This one is way longer, and I'm using pillow blocks for now. I have these kind of bearings, but I need some parts, so I'm gonna use these ones for now, and then I just install the other ones. Not a big deal, but I was pretty excited, so that's why I want to finish it. But I got my axle in. It's not really it's still loose. I mean, the bolt's still loose. I just want to see if it's gonna work, so I just install it, so now I can check how the tire is gonna look. So there you go. So that one looks pretty sweet. I like it. And then so this is the other one. So that's how it's gonna look, guys. The tires are gonna be really wide now, and the engine fit in the same place, so it's gonna be in the same position. So you put attention here where the sprocket is right there. I mean, actually I can move it back and forth. I have all these to play with, and it's far away from the tire, so the chain is gonna be right there. I think it's pretty sweet. It turned out pretty nice. What I have to do now is I have to attach my, because you see the bearings are still loose. I just presented it right now. So this is how it looks, guys. So I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. I like the way these tires are really wide, and now it's gonna have a live axle. It will be way more fun to drive this little go-kart. And then I gotta replace the tires. I'm gonna put wider tires in the front. You see, this is the original tire. It's really it's too small. This one is really wide, so I think that will look better, and there's not much difference. You see that? That's pretty cool. And then I can work on my brakes. So I'm gonna put the brake, I'm gonna move it all the way here, and I'm gonna attach it to my caliper right here. I'm gonna leave this part right there because it's not really close to the tire. You see, it's kind of like gone. So I'm just gonna attach something to pull the other brakes, so it's gonna be useful. So we're gonna leave it there for now. I'm gonna use that engine right now, but I think later I'm gonna change it for one of those 224cc, so that will be more power on this thing. I think now it's better to drive than it was before. So alright, guys, so the go-kart is ready. So I got my brakes installed. So it was pretty easy. These brakes come with the base, so you just weld it to the frame, and I just let the disc move free. So when it was in place, I just put the key, and I put this lock collar, so you stop the key to come out. So now it's pretty good. So now let's go for a ride.